Top 5 Best Wheelchair Ramp in 2020. Number 5. HomCom Folding Portable Mobility. Lastly, the brand HomCom also offers a range of portable ramp lengths, all with an all-metal design. The aluminum alloy design keeps this ramp lightweight while being durable, and the slots makes it easy to keep clean while using in all sorts of weather situations. The handle and storage case makes this portable ramp easy to carry while traveling. This is a good portable handicap ramp for those looking for something simple, basic, and easy to use. The grip on the ramp and the side rails help keep this ramp safe and sturdy over uneven ground, 1 or 2 steps, or through doorways. This is another good option for those looking for a ramp to use mainly at home but with the portability and functionality to bring while traveling. Having a portable wheelchair ramp while traveling is a good idea, just to help with unexpected situations. You won't want to miss out on that great restaurant, shopping experience, or amazing tourist attraction because of a few steps or uneven ground, and having your own portable ramp for wheelchair users will make it easy for wheelchair users or those with a handicap to quickly navigate those obstacles. There are many portable ramps for wheelchairs that are easy to use at home and while traveling, which helps you get the most out of your investment and allows you to travel with a ramp you're familiar with. These 8 portable ramps for wheelchairs are some of the best for traveling, so get out there and enjoy. Coming in number 4. Ruedamann Non-Skid Aluminum Folding Ramp. Ruedamann offers a range of non-skid aluminum folding portable ramps for wheelchairs in lengths from 2 feet to 5 feet. These are a great size for navigating short, 1 or 2 steps, inclines, and can be very useful as portable ramps for travel. The non-skid platform ensures safe usage in a range of weather, and the unique design of these ramps creates a seamless layout. The flat center makes this portable ramp ideal for use with a range of scooters, manual wheelchairs, and power wheelchairs, as well as walkers and other mobility devices. This is a good portable handicap ramp option that comes with its own carrying case. The solid construction and smooth layout makes it easy to use, and the added case allows you to take your reliable ramp from home with you on the go. Coming in number 3. Drive Medical Singlefold. Many portable ramps for wheelchairs have anti-slip traction pads built into them, but this portable wheelchair ramp by Drive Medical has a slotted design. This unique design makes it easy to clean these ramps outdoors and allows water to drain away from the ramp, instead of collecting on the top, which can be the case with these traditional portable wheelchair ramps. This is a good portable handicap ramp option if you're looking for something to use mainly at home, but also is compact enough to take with you when you travel. This portable handicap ramp comes with a carrying bag as well as a handle for easy carrying. With the lightweight yet durable construction, wide ramp sides, and the ability to fold in half, this is a solid travel ramp for use at home as well. Coming in number 2. Prairie View Industries Portable Single-Fold Ramp. For a smaller portable ramp with a simple and slim profile, check out the range by Prairie View Industries. These portable wheelchair or handicap ramps are welded, not riveted, which can make them more durable compared to other options on the market. The surface is covered with anti-slip traction tape to keep things safe and slip-free. This ramp folds in half, and when opened and placed across the step has a total width of 30 inches. This is a great portable ramp with a low profile, slim design, and great durability. There's a carrying handle included, which makes it easy to travel with and take around the world and around the house. The total weight capacity of this ramp is 800 pounds, which makes this portable ramp a powerful piece of equipment. It's a great option for travel with the convenient design and size. Coming in number 1. Clevr Extra Wide Non-Skid Aluminum. Many portable wheelchair ramps are designed to have a lower profile in order to make them the easiest to move, but this can lead to ramps being a bit too narrow or small for some wheelchair users. This ramp by Clevr is extra wide, with 31 inches in width to accommodate wheelchairs as well as walkers and scooters. This portable ramp is 36 inches long, which makes it easy to use with manual and power wheelchairs. This is a great portable handicap ramp with all the necessary features to navigate most sets of steps or curbs you may find while traveling. Clevr strives to provide a portable handicap ramp that is light, safe, and portable. This ramp includes safety pins and a carrying handle with a collapsed weight of 16 pounds. The folded dimensions are 16 inches by 3 inches, perfect for storing in the back of a car and can carry upwards of 600 pounds.